We received a grant in February to the tune of about 245 million. And
245 million RTGS, yes.
And I heard that, yeah, don't quote me, I heard, I do not have evidence to this.
Okay.
I heard that they bought US dollars to the tune of 780,000 cash. But right now, as I speak, they failed to pay polling agents. Yeah, I was a candidate. Polling agents were not paid, even until today. Other political parties, I heard they paid their polling agent. Where is the money?
So these are clearly serious accusations and allegations put at Mwonzora to say that there is abuse of funds. Now, obviously, when you say that, someone will say you have the burden of proof. You should prove to us that there is abuse of funds.
That's why I said, what I am saying is not what I saw, but what I heard. About the grant, I'm not there to bring evidence that it was exactly 245 million. I'm relying on information in the media that the grant was in the tune of 245 million.
No, I understand that. I'm talking about the issue of abuse of the funds. You say clearly that polling agents were not paid.
Polling agents were not paid. It's evidence enough. The rally we held at Zimbabwe grounds, they sent a proof of payment of 150,000 RTGS to our Harare provincial office to the effect that we have deposited money in your account. So for the rally to succeed, kindly find someone whom you can borrow at least 500 US, you fuel vehicles, and then when the money reflects, you pay back. We borrowed 500 US dollars from a party member. We fueled our vehicles and went on the road show.
Yeah.
Then the money did not reflect.
So you still owe.
They sent a fake proof of payment. That's fraud. Now, the person now requested her money.
Who sent that proof?
This one, Todd.
Okay.
Yeah,
what
the
position?
director in the Treasury Department.
Okay.
So when this party member wanted her money, we referred her to the Treasury. Yeah, I personally referred her to Dr. Tapiwa Mashakada. And Dr. Mashakada said, unfortunately, the grant has been exhausted. We have got 0 in our party account. So
MDCT is broke.
So we are not able to pay $500. So you better refer that person to the president himself. I referred the lady by the name Rutendo Kawadza to the president. And there, the chief of staff gave her $100. And the chief of staff said, this $100 is coming from my personal money. And if the party is to have money in the future, I will need my $100 back. And there is 400 balance. Nothing
has come yet.
Until the lady said, I am going to confiscate all the property in the Harare provincial office.
And
I said, there is nothing I can do. A provincial chairperson does not operate in a vacuum. I have my superiors. They send a fake proof of payment, and they are the owners of the party. They have failed to pay you back your money. You want to confiscate our property. Will I be able to stop you?
So has she done so?
Yes. She came in our offices and she took all the computers, the printers, and everything. And she walked out of Harvest House with those things. Right now, as I speak, the Harare province office is just empty. There is nothing, only a desk which she couldn't carry.